White-collar criminal defense attorney Sara Azari is with us right now. Bryn lays out, too, so importantly, what we saw last week and what we were hearing from prosecutors in our own reporting here at CNN, that they were making it very clear. They wanted to ask and planned to ask for jail time for everyone. They said they had a mountain of evidence that people had not seen yet, that more charges could be coming. Is it your sense that that, in fact, is what those, I don't want to say threats, but perhaps that information, is that what you think pushed some of these people to move toward a guilty plea?
Well, Erica, I definitely don't think it's puffery on behalf of the prosecutors. Remember that a lot of these parents took the money that they paid Singer and used it as a tax deduction, which is unlawful. It's tax fraud. So a lot of them are also exposed to additional potential charges of tax fraud and potentially other types of charges. So I think what's happened with this first set of defendants who are accepting responsibility and pleading guilty is that they're trying to do some damage control, because there are, in fact, other charges that could come. Remember, this was a very, very airtight case in terms of the evidence. Like you said, there was transcripts of phone calls. There were it's a paper case, so it's very hard to beat. They had canceled checks, they had payments, and what's astonishing about this case, and as I always said from the very beginning, the investigation was amazing in that they went to the big fish first. Usually investigators start from the bottom and work their way up to the mastermind. In this case, they went straight to Singer, and they had all the evidence they needed. So again, it's a very airtight case. I think they do have the evidence potentially for tax fraud, maybe other charges, and it behooves these defendants to plead guilty early and potentially avoid jail time, because they are eligible for probation.